Greetings. Next, I will explain about strategies and risks in global value networks. Global strategy is the process through which companies adapt their business model to compete internationally and create sustainable competitive advantage. Global strategy consists of adapting their business model to compete in international markets and generate sustainable competitive advantage. Global companies must integrate operation, logistic, technology, and management process to respond to highly competitive and changing environment. For example, Apple designs in United States, produces components in Asia, and distributes globally. Global value networks connect suppliers, manufacturers, logistics operators, and customers around the world. The global strategy allows for the coordination of suppliers, production, logistics, marketing, and international markets. Benefits like efficiency, innovation, and global competitiveness. And relationship with the global environment is global networks increase competitiveness, connectivity, and innovation, but they also increase international dependence, vulnerability, and exposure to risk. Risk and global business of goods and service. Globalization has increased business competitiveness and connectivity, but is also increased exposure to logistical, operational, technological, and geopolitical risks. From a critical perspective, I believe that many companies continue to prioritize cost reduction, negligence, resilience, and adaptability in the face of incremental other perspectives, but business model to suppliers diversification, sustainable logistics, digital transformation, and the use of technology such as artificial intelligence, and data risk. According to the Kluivert, global company must continuously adapt their operation and organizational structure to respond to dynamic and competitive scenarios. A prime example is China, which strengthened its logistic, technological, and port infrastructure to increase its competitiveness and resilience within global value networks. In the case of Colombia, it would be strategic to strengthen port, road infrastructure, and logistic digitalization, as well as promote nearshoring strategies that reduce operational risk and improve the country's participation in global supply chains, like, for example, in this table. For risk management strategies, well, global companies must implement strategies that increase organizational resilience and reduce vulnerability to international crises, like supply chain resilience, supplier diversification, nearshoring, artificial intelligence, big data and analytics, sustainable logistics, and digital transformation. Like reflections, globalization has transformed the way companies compete. However, it has also increased operational complexity, and exposure to global risk. Modern organizations must focus not only on profitability but also on sustainability, resilience, and strategic adaptability. In my opinion, companies can no longer focus only on profitability. Today, resilience, sustainability, and adaptability are essential for long-term global competitiveness. In conclusion, a global strategy allows for the integration of market resources and capabilities with global value network. However, it also increases exposure to logistical, financial, geopolitical, and technological risks. Therefore, organizational resilience and strategic risk management are fundamental to global business sustainability. Thanks.